effect. For Barrie, Collingwood, Hillsdale, Fort Owens Sound, Blue Mountains, Northern Grey County, at 6:18 p.m. EDT. Environment Canada meteorologists are tracking a severe thunderstorm that is possibly producing a tornado. Damaging winds, large hail and locally intense rainfall are also possible. ###. Tornado warnings are issued when imminent or occurring thunderstorms are likely to produce or are producing tornadoes. Take cover immediately if threatening weather approaches. Lightning kills and injures Canadians every year. Remember, when thunder roars, go indoors. The Office of the Fire Marshal and Emergency Management recommends that you take cover immediately if threatening weather approaches. Messages from Environment Canada. Alerte de tornade en vigueur.
Well, this is behind my parents' house in Barrie, Ontario, and it's calling for it. Well, this is behind my parents' house in Barrie, Ontario, and it's calling for it. Well, this is behind my parents' house in Barrie, Ontario, and it's calling for it.